My name's Teagan and I work at Fix Auto Newport. I started studying at Coleg Gwent in 2023 and as an apprentice studying vehicle refinishing. For the last 3 years I've been going into Coleg Gwent for 1 day a week, which has made me be able to earn whilst I learn, and I've met some amazing people along the way. The tutors in vehicle refinishing are absolutely amazing. They're so full of knowledge, so informative, and they've been such a big help to me along the way. During my time at Coleg Gwent, I've been able to enter competitions such as WorldSkills. I took part in the Welsh Skills competition where I placed 3rd. Then I went on to do the UK competition against England, Wales, Scotland and Ireland where I also placed 3rd. So what's next for me is I'm now taking part in the Team GB training where I'm part of the squad, which will then go on to Denmark in September, and then hopefully after that I'll be going to Shanghai in 2026. I just want to say a massive thank you to everyone at Coleg Gwent and Fix Auto UK and Fix Auto Newport, my managers John, Simon and my mentor Alex.
I definitely recommend apprenticeships to young people. It will develop them in future life. A lot of people say they don't need an apprenticeship, but I think it evolves the basic skills to become a good painter, and it definitely helped and developed Teagan in many ways.
Yeah, I definitely recommend doing an apprenticeship to anyone thinking about it because you can earn whilst you learn, and now I'm on a career path where my future is looking really promising.